Before you commit to purchasing Similarweb, there are 7 crucial things you need to know that will help you make a more informed decision. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to expect and how Similarweb stacks up against its competitors like SEMrush and Ahrefs. First off, let's talk about how Similarweb measures up when it comes to the scope of data. One of its standout features is its massive global reach and ability to provide website traffic data across a broad range of industries. While tools like SEMrush and Ahrefs are also great at providing keyword and backlink data, Similarweb goes a step further by offering insights into web traffic trends, audience interests, and competitive analysis. This makes it incredibly valuable if you're looking for a broader picture of how competitors are performing across the entire web, not just within search results. Next, one of the first things to consider is the pricing structure. Similarweb can be quite expensive compared to other tools like SEMrush, which offers more flexible pricing plans. While SEMrush focuses heavily on SEO-related features, Similarweb shines with its comprehensive datasets and market intelligence. But if you're just starting out and need something a bit more affordable, you might want to weigh whether the cost justifies the data richness it offers. That said, if your business relies heavily on understanding your competitors' traffic, Similarweb might be the right investment. The third thing you should be aware of is the user interface. Similarweb has a clean, user-friendly interface that is easier to navigate than some other tools that can feel overly complex at first. You won't need an extensive learning curve to get started. However, while the interface is simple, it's still packed with deep insights, which makes it a versatile tool for both beginners and seasoned marketers. The fourth thing to consider is its data accuracy. Now, Similarweb does an excellent job of estimating traffic data, but it's not perfect. Unlike Google Analytics, which gives you actual numbers from your website, Similarweb uses estimations based on data from a variety of sources. While the estimates are often close, they can sometimes be off, so it's important to use Similarweb's data in conjunction with other tools to get a more rounded understanding of your web performance. Next, let's talk about its competitive intelligence features. One of Similarweb's greatest strengths is its ability to analyze competitors' strategies. It allows you to see where competitors are getting their traffic from, which marketing channels they're focusing on, and which keywords are driving the most traffic. This level of insight is far superior to what's available in tools like Google Analytics or even SEMrush, making it an essential tool for anyone looking to stay ahead of their competition. The sixth thing to keep in mind is its industry analysis reports. Similarweb offers in-depth reports on various industries, which can help businesses make smarter, data-driven decisions. For example, you can gain insight into industry trends, growth opportunities, and market share, making it a powerful tool for market research. While competitors like Ahrefs provide detailed backlink analysis, Similarweb's strength lies in its ability to forecast industry movements and offer insights beyond just SEO. And finally, Similarweb does offer a free trial, which is a fantastic opportunity for anyone who wants to test it out before committing. However, keep in mind that the free version comes with limited functionality compared to the premium version. If you want access to the full range of data, reports, and features, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. But if you're not sure whether it's worth the investment, I recommend starting with the free trial so you can explore the features that are most relevant to your needs. If you want to give Similarweb a try and explore everything it offers, make sure to click the first link in the description for the best free trial and some exclusive benefits that you won't get anywhere else. Trust me, this software has the potential to take your digital marketing efforts to the next level.